राइट वेलकम गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग? जी हाँ, हमारे पास आ गई है WWE 2K22। बहुत मज़ा आएगा, लेट्स गो। अटेंशन, अपडेटिंग WWE, वेलकम टू WWE। अच्छा जी, ये मेरा ट्रेनर है। ट्यूटोरियल तो करना पड़ेगा ना, वही लाइव सीन।
Welcome to WWE 2K22. My name is Drew Gulak. You know me as a technical genius in the ring, but what you may not know is that I'm also a genius when it comes to training WWE superstars. I've elevated countless careers. The results speak for themselves. And today, I'm here to train you.
Very funny, man.
Know everything. But let me tell you, you don't. How to be a great
I think 2019 के बाद 20 में नहीं कोई आई।
Rey Mysterio, one of the greatest talents to ever set foot in the
21 में भी
ring.
कोई नहीं है। 21 थी मेरे नहीं,
But his
पता नहीं यार।
619s, springboards, splashes from the top rope. How many times have you seen these moves backfire? That's because they're too flashy. They are unpredictable. No way. Throw all of that stuff in the garbage. We're gonna focus on the foundations. With my training, your help, we're gonna show Rey Mysterio how to be a winner. The Gulak way. I'll see you out there.
थैंक यू जी। अच्छा रे, वही रे मिस्टेरियो के साथ वही नाइस ग्राफिक्स यार। लाइट स्ट्राइक, हैवी स्ट्राइक, ग्रैब, ओके।
The key to any wrestler's success is strong fundamentals. Nobody knows more about fundamentals than me, and I'm gonna teach you.
हाय
Let's start with basic offense. Strikes and grapples.
मारो
Show some
मारो।
aggression. Light strikes are the fastest moves you have. Use them to open your opponent's defenses. Heavy attacks deal big damage. Capitalize on openings with a big, heavy strike. Grappling is the most important skill for any wrestler. Use it to control space and reposition your opponent.
वो तेरी। चलो जी, बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कंप्लीट हो गई।
Hey, look at you. You can do the bare minimum. All right, on to the next section.
उठ।
Mix up your combos to stay one step ahead of your opponent.
ओ अजी ओए, जल्दी सीख रहा हूँ मैं।
Let's see your form on defense. After you block a strike, try hitting your opponent with a light attack to gain the advantage. Sometimes the best defense is just getting out of the way. Dodge an incoming attack to gain a positional advantage.
Oh,
You've got a full finisher
619.
meter, which means you have access to your best move. Maybe something tasteful, like an armbar.
ये क्या कर रहा हूँ? 619 पूरा ही नहीं हुआ। वो तेरी ब्लॉक तो कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा डॉज आजा 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 आजा। होल्ड तो कर रहा हूँ लेकिन वो उसको एक्सेप्ट उसने मुझे चपेट दी है इतनी पहली। अच्छा अब हुआ है। ओके ये भी हो गया।
Reversals are all about timing. Try to reverse right before you get hit to counter. Reversals have a small window of success, but they can change the momentum of a match in an instant.
ये भी हो
I
गया।
guess you can still teach an old dog new tricks, huh? Even a very, very old dog like you. If you're on defense in a combo or grab, press the same attack button as your opponent to counter the move. You can block strikes, but not grabs. Try to guess which one your opponent will use next. Ray, I can't teach you anything while you're on the ground. I know you're Rey Mysterio, the master of the 619, but what if you were Rey Mysterio?
इधर मैं मार खा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरी बॉडी भी हैवी डैमेज हो चुकी है। वो ये कर सकता था।
You may need flashy moves to win matches. Drew Gulak only needs a side headlock takeover.
एक हो गया। मेरी बॉडी लाल हो चुकी है। वैसे ये मूव जब कर ही नहीं रहा तो फिर मैं कैसे प्रेडिक्ट
This is
करूं?
part 1 of your training. Next on the schedule is 7 hours of film analysis. Then you write an essay about the difference between a clothesline and a lariat. You might not be able to lift bigger opponents. Use speed to your advantage instead. I've been counting your weaknesses since we started. 64, 165, 166. Oh man, we've got a lot of weaknesses to fix. All right, now we're talking.
अब क्या करना
Now
है?
that you know the
Press.
basics, let's simulate a real match. I expected a legend to pick this up quicker. Did you not read the pamphlet?
Yoo-hoo.
It said no springboard moves allowed. Oh,
पिनफॉल कैसे करना है?
I'll let this one slide, but don't you do it again.
अच्छा, ये जब तक मीटर के बाद ही उड़ जाता है। अच्छा,
That was not part of our training. You can't do that. Ref, he's
कोई
not
बात
allowed
नहीं
to do
यार,
that.
कर सकता हूँ यार, कर सकता हूँ। तुम कौन हो? चलो जी,
Here is your winner, Rey
ट्रॉफी हो गई।
Mysterio!
I know you're a legend, but now that you're working with Drew Gulak, imagine the heights you'll reach. Coming to me was the best decision you ever made.
चलो जी, मज़ा आने वाला है। ये क्या है? यूनिवर्स, माय जिम, माय फैक्शन, माय राइज, अनेबल। अच्छा, अभी गेम रिलीज़ नहीं हुई ना? गेम रिलीज़ होगी कल मेरे दोस्तों। सॉरी, मैं आप लोगों को बताना भूल गया हूँ, गेम कल रिलीज़ होने वाली है। ओके, क्रिएशंस, एंट्रेंस, विक्टर। अच्छा, इधर हम कस्टम। ओके, ऑनलाइन नॉट अवेलेबल लाइक आई सेड, स्टोर। ये हम अगली एपिसोड पे करेंगे जब। ओके, हम शुरू करते हैं यूनिवर्स से। इधर बहुत सारे मोड्स हैं, शोकेस, यूनिवर्स, माय राइज, माय फैक्शन, माय जनरल मैनेजर मोड। यूनिवर्स से शुरू करेंगे। न्यू, हमने पहले चेक करने के लिए अंडरटेकर को डाल दिया था। अच्छा नहीं, हमने शुरू ही किया था। अंडरटेकर को डाल के हमने बंद कर दिया था। नाउ दैट योर सुपरस्टार बीन सिलेक्ट नेक्स्ट मैच। ओके, नेक्स्ट मैच मेरा क्या है? By the way, guys, music बंद है. पता ना पर YouTube का.
I can't wait to get things kicked off. I've heard we've got some amazing matches in store.
I'm excited as well, despite having to sit next.
Skip कर देते हैं. Normal 1-on-1 केन के साथ. वो अपने भाई के साथ मैच पहला वो भी.
Comes the Phenom.
आ गया. Ui. Looking good. केन भी आ गया. म्यूजिक के बगैर फिर मजा नहीं आता.
There's only one thing more dangerous than when the Brothers of Destruction combine their strength. And that's when they use their powers against one another. Since Kane has terrorized WWE, his brother, The Undertaker, has been his greatest adversary. The encounters have been gruesome battles.
Countered it just in time.
Heavy body shots. Whipped hard. What a clothesline. Ooh, elbow strike.
Finds a counter for the dead man. Oh, Kane counters.
Finds the advantage after a string of counters.
Kane has performed the purest, most disturbing acts of evil on his brother, The Undertaker. Byron, what type of carnage can we expect to see in this demonic clash?
Unspeakable carnage, Michael. With each strike, each move, each blow, the intent from these entities is to send the other back to hell. It is brother versus brother, and there will be no mercy.
It shouldn't be a shock that winning the match is secondary to these Leviathans.
शुक्र है मैंने काउंटर कर दिया.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out.
Oh, and a big uppercut. He's lost some of his wind now. Placed into the corner.
Oh, uncorked a big punch.
I've always said it, best pure striker in the history of WWE. Best pure striker in the history of WWE.
So ruthless.
सिग्नेचर मूव नहीं अभी आया.
Vicious right forearm.
Oof, good punch.
Nasty.
And good.
Gets him with the counter.
Not good.
Bam! Uh-oh, complete darkness has just come over this arena.
Oh, don't be scared, Byron. Don't be scared, Byron. Don't be scared.
Unpacks a well-placed punch.
And he was ready for Undertaker. He's got him here.
अच्छा blackout भी हो सकता है. Nice.
Favorite sidewalk slam.
Oh man, what a leg drop.
Now he's been put on the defensive. Oh, and a reversal. Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Trapped in the corner. We got a strike fest going on.
Being treated like a heavy bag.
Taker just unleashing.
So ruthless.
Big impact off the leg drop.
अभी हम सीख रहे हैं यार गाइस, थोड़ा हमें एक्सपेरिमेंट तो करने दो ना।
The devil's favorite demon with the devil's favorite sidewalk slam. Brother on brother.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Kicks out. He still has life.
He just won't give up.
Undertaker retaliates. Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
Up the turnbuckles. What's he gonna do?
He's got him in the crosshairs. From the top, Kane gets that sent right back to him.
The Undertaker looking to crush the soul of Kane. Devil's favorite sidewalk slam. Great awareness by the dead man. Oh, man, right to the esophagus.
The dead man facing some danger. This is the only form of brotherly love Kane knows. He's in a little bit of trouble now.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of the match.
Choke slam.
All the way up and down. Choke slam straight to hell.
Kane delivering his own brand of hell. No way! No way! We've seen this time after time. You cannot keep The Undertaker down.
And don't think that outcome is going to change Kane's approach. He's as hell-bent as ever. The physicality we've witnessed in this match is simply horrific.
Neither
power will stay down.
Oh, he can't be surprised at what these brothers of destruction have done. From the top!
मैंने दबाया भी है टाइम पे लेकिन
on a claw. There's the claw. This could be it. He is in serious trouble here and finds his way out.
Put into the corner now. I've always said it, best pure striker in the history of WWE.
Taker just unleashing.
Oh, look at this.
So ruthless.
Undertaker is ready to collect another soul, gentlemen. Kane turns it around.
The Undertaker in a bad way.
How in the world?
The trademark resolve of The Undertaker on display. He will not stay down.
And Kane can't believe it. A long career of burying superstars with that very same move was not enough. Whatever's planned here can't be good.
Ooh, dropped right on their face. Oh, and soon we could be seeing a submission here.
And the ropes break this one up.
Great ring awareness there. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Taker has him up. Here we go.
Rest in peace.
Jeez. Oh, now Kane's leaking.
Cover! There's two! Kick out. I thought it was finished off for sure.
There's still fire in the lungs of Kane. Like a horror movie monster that can't be killed.
I think The Undertaker might be happy about that kick out. He is dished out a beating, and it looks like it's not done.
Lands an elbow.
Shot. Arm control here, gonna roll through. the Maestro applied.
Yes.
Oh, got it! Surprise pin gets the win.
Undertaker.
Here is your winner, the Undertaker. The dead man's power from the dark side was too much for even Kane to survive.
There's Undertaker, a legend who has proven to be such an exceptionally gifted talent inside the ring that he came to also be known as the Phenom.
A credit to his endurance and the scores of all-time great matches he's had and won.
Tonight could be just another notch in the Undertaker's belt.
Then there's Cedric Alexander, who's reached a point of intensity personified. As hungry a superstar as you'll find in WWE.
I may not necessarily agree with Cedric's tactics as of late, but I cannot deny how incredible of an athlete Alexander is.
Cedric Alexander is quite the athlete, so agile, so impactful. Corey, how do you handle an opponent quite like Alexander?
Definitely not by trying to beat him in a battle of speed or agility. Instead, you need to dictate the pace. Slow things down so Cedric can't get into the rhythm he wants. Can't get the control that he wants.
Undertaker को मारेगा हैं? क्या?
I think we know what's coming next.
Perched up top.
He paid for that one. Oh, man, big time. Oh.
Jarring impact. Bang, right in the eye.
Check your face after that one. Holding the shoulder hostage now. Just punched him right in the mouth.
Oh,
relentless.
God. Enough already.
Reversal by the Undertaker. Oh, driving the elbow.
Oh, stomping away.
Hits him with the counter. Headed to the top rope.
Up high. Cross body.
He's heading up top.
Thinking big.
From the top. Catches nothing but air.
Undertaker had that scouted.
What a punch.
He gets sent down to the floor. And he saw that coming from Cedric.
What's the Undertaker got in mind here?
Hey, Byron, how about we take things a little old school?
Yeah, I like it.
Boom! Start etching a new gravestone. That's an example of what makes Taker the Phenom. What power! Rest in peace. This spells trouble for Cedric.
For the win! 2!
Finally, monumental victory!
जीत गए.
What an incredible match, and what a performance by that superstar.
You're absolutely right. And look who's up on the stage.
Oh, look who's here.
It's a show of respect, Cole. It was a great performance.
I find it hard to believe, Corey, that this is a show of respect.
लगता है केन के साथ दुश्मनी बन रही है मेरी. ओके, दूसरा वीक. सुपरस्टार्स चेंज करते हैं. नहीं हो सकता. थोड़ा ऐसा करके म्यूजिक चला देते हैं. मैं कहता हूँ आज के लिए इतना ही. अगली एपिसोड पे हम या तो शो के स्टार्ट करेंगे या तो देखेंगे. सोचूंगा कुछ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. मिलेंगे अगली एपिसोड पे. बाय बाय.